Greetings to those watching.
We are Aysen,
And Cune,
and today we and our friends are going to tell you about
Children of Asia Games.
Children of Asia is undoubtedly a celebration, primarily for the young. For everyone who has ever been involved in the grand event in past years, it always brings back bright memories and warm nostalgia. Each of the thousands of participants here had their own role and, of course, responsibility. Perfected movements, synchronization, emotions. According to the creators of the opening ceremony, it is the emotional impulse of the opening ceremony that set the tone for all the competition days. This time, the concept of the theoretical performance is based on the story of the appearance of white knights using motifs from the legend of Arctic peoples.
A team of 45 people from Thailand has arrived in the capital of Yakutia. This includes 32 athletes, 4 coaches, and 9 team representatives. The young athletes will compete in 5 sports, including Yakutsk jumps. The young athletes from Thailand have come to compete for medals in athletics, Yakutsk jumps, basketball, rhythmic gymnastics, taekwondo, and swimming. But most importantly, they're here to make new friends and enjoy a friendly atmosphere.
The largest team at the Children of Asia Games has arrived from sunny Kazakhstan. More than 250 young athletes will represent their country's flag. The team was one of the first to arrive in Yakutsk. The children are adjusting to the time zone and starting their daily training sessions. Team Kazakhstan is participating in all sports. In track and field, Kazakhstan is represented in all disciplines with a team of 26 athletes. Among them are medalists from the CIS Games in Belarus. Gymnasts from Kazakhstan will perform in both individual and group routines. Basketball paddles will begin on June 27. 9 boys teams will compete, and among the girls, 7 teams will fight for the gold.
14 teams will compete in table tennis from June 26 to June 30. Table tennis competitions have been a part of the Children of Asia Games since their inception. This time, participants from 8 countries and 6 regions of Russia have come to vie for the title of Asia's best paddle. The competitions will be held in singles, doubles, and mixed doubles categories for participants aged 14 and 15. Perhaps the smallest delegation is from Laos, consisting of 2 young athletes who will compete in table tennis. This is the first time Laos is participating in the Children of Asia Games.
These days, the final training session for Sambo wrestlers from Azerbaijan is taking place. They're in Yakutia for the first time. The White Knights of Yakutsk have not hindered the young athletes in adapting to the time zone. Upon arriving in Yakutsk, the Sambo team immediately began their training. The young men are practicing sweeps and submission holds. Each move is owned under the watchful eye of the national team coach, Emil Hassanov. As the participants themselves say, they have come for victory, but that will be determined on the wrestling mat. Good luck!
At the Cholbon swimming pool, the final preparatory training sessions for swimmers are taking place before the start of the competition. A total of 127 participants from 19 teams, 9 international and 5 from various regions of Russia, will compete in the pool. The athletes will showcase their skills in styles such as butterfly, freestyle, breaststroke, and medley swimming. In total, 13 individual medals for boys and girls, as well as 6 relay medals will be awarded.
On the eve of the competition, the head of the region, Aysen Nikolaev, met with the athletes from Yakutia. As is known, Yakutia will be represented by 2 national teams across all 24 sports at the Games, comprising a total of 370 athletes. The athletes from Yakutia have a history of remarkable victories, ranging from regional to national levels. Throughout the months of preparation, the athletes have been honing their skills alongside their coaches. Among these mentors are masters of sport, champions, and medalists from various competitions.
It's all for today.
And make sure not to miss our next diary.